why you got your eyebrows like that?
Why I got my eyebrows like that?
Yeah.
Because I was making a video. I can't come on here with messed up eyebrows. Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of a wig that I purchased. I've used this company twice now, so let's get started. This is how the box comes. It was shipped through DHL. The last wig that I bought through them came through FedEx, I believe, and I definitely would say that I like the FedEx delivery better because I ordered it on a Wednesday afternoon and Friday morning at 10 a.m. it was at my door. Whereas with DHL, I ordered it on Wednesday afternoon, and initially it said it was going to be delivered on Friday, but Friday got here and it wasn't here, so of course I was upset. So I'm checking the tracking. It says no expected delivery time. So I got a text saying that your package will be delivered today, which was today. I was so excited. With this wig, I actually wanted to do something short. I like short hair. As you can see, this is my hair. My natural hair is short. So the first wig I got through this company, it was a 22-inch lace wig or 360 wig. And I just put it up in a bun because I just can't deal with the hair on my shoulder. So let's see what we have in the box. Let's get to cutting. Oh, I kind of matched the box. So it did come with some extras, which is a good thing. So we have this wig stand. I don't think I'm going to use it. I just usually put my wig in a lace bag. I have a couple lace bags and put them in the closet when I'm done with them or not wearing them. So that was the first thing. Let's see what's in the box. So this is what the box looked like. The name of the company is LuvMe Hair. Check them out. They have an Instagram, they have a Facebook, and then they also have a YouTube channel. I love their hair. So once you open the box, this is what's in here. The wig always come in these pretty little pouches. It says LuvMe Hair and it has their website on it. And then the package also came with the wig cap, which is somewhat useful because, as you can see, the wig cap is kind of beige, and you can see I'm chocolate. So I don't know if I'll be using this. If I do, I'm gonna have to put some foundation on it, but I'll make a video applying it so you all would be able to see how it looks. And then the package did also include a makeup pouch along with the comb. I can use this. Elastic band, which kind of concerns me. If there's one in the box, is it not on the wig? But we'll see. You got a couple bobby pins. I definitely needed this because with my real hair, I pin curl it at night so I can keep this little curling body. So we have these. Then we also have a clip. Oh, 2 clips and a pair of tweezers. So I can definitely use these extras. So I'm probably going to use everything except the wig stand. So let's see the main attraction. Dun, dun, dun. I'm so excited. Y'all just don't understand. See the bag trying to give me a difficult time. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I have it open. Okay, so it has a little net around it. It has some paper in the middle. My last wig didn't come with the paper in the middle. I don't know what that's about. Oh, so guess what? I was worried for no reason. We got a band inside. It already come with a band. Hey. So you have your band, and then you also have clips, and then it has the adjustable straps. But I have a huge head, so I don't know if I'm going to use them. So also, it is lace. So you can cut the lace and glue it down, which is a good thing. You have a little silk piece, and it comes pre-parted. Now this is a 10-inch bob, because like I said, I wanted something short, and it's a natural brown color. I am gonna end up dyeing it black before I install it, and I plan to use this here, and this is Dark and Lovely 371 Jet Black. I'm just not a color kind of girl. The most color I wear is when the wig comes in a natural brown. Even with my real hair, it's like a sandy red brownish color, and I always dye it black. But with the wig, let's see. If you kind of put it just next to my head, you see it'll fall right on my shoulder, which is a little longer than I wanted. I wanted the blunt cut, so I may even end up having someone cut it because I can't cut. But this is the wig. You have the part. It's a middle part, and you can move the part because of the lace around. Let's see if it's a full lace. So it's not a full lace. I have tracks in the middle. It's just a frontal, but you can move the part around. So I can do a middle part, I can do a side part, I can do a deep side part with the little tuck behind the ear look, you know, the look that everybody be wearing. So at this point, I'm excited to wear it. I am happy with my purchase, and then I'll keep you guys posted on this wig. So along with this being an unboxed video, I also wanted to do a review of the first wig that I purchased from them. And this is the wig here. This one is a full 360. As you can see, it's long, right? This is the body wave. So I've worn this wig a couple times, and I'm happy with the purchase. I mean, it wasn't an expensive wig, so I got what I expected. I mean, I got more than what I paid for, I would say. The only thing I would say about this wig is it's a bit thin. I would have liked it to be thicker. I have had it installed about 4 to 5 times, and I will post pictures where you all can see where it was installed. We did have to cut the lace, of course, and then also we did bleach the knots. I went and got it professionally installed, but once I got it professionally installed twice, it was easy for me to just put it back on myself. So I wore this, I've had this wig since April. I haven't dyed this one. This is the only color I wear, the brown color that I mentioned earlier. This one isn't jet black, but you can see how long this is. Like, it comes down to my butt. That's really long for me. So with this wig, I typically just wear it up in a knot, but I am happy with my purchase. This is the body wave. I would have got the water wave if I knew the body wave was this loose, because I wanted the little Mexicana Latina look, but you know, probably the next one I buy, I may try that, get like a bob, a water wave, we'll see. Well, thank you guys for watching my unboxed video. If you haven't already, please give my video a thumbs up, like my video, comment if you have any questions, if you want to make any recommendations on any future.
Okay.
Thank you. Well, that's all, you guys. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope to see you in my notifications, seeing you subscribed, and see you next video.